What's going on, lazy bushcrafting fans? Myself, Owen. I'm with my sister Anita over there, which you can see right there. Anyways, today we are on, where are we again, Anita? What? Croton Gorge. So, Croton Gorge looks just like this.
See the rainbow?
No,
It's very faint.
I don't see it. Anyways, I'm not even sure where we are. I think we're in Westchester or something like that, and I didn't plan this out, so I'm just gonna go with the flow today. So again, behind me is pretty much the reservoir that was built long ago by a lot of immigrants that came from Europe. Still standing, still doing its function, and yeah, pretty cool stuff. Look at this. That thing is massive.
Something I said or...
No, nothing. I mean, it's nothing. Nothing at all.